most of them serving lengthy jail terms. Some awaiting an early parole. Those hopes dashed due to alleged failure to process their documents.
We are on a hunger strike because our files have not been taken to the minister to make a decision whether or not they let us out. After 12 years and 4 months, the files should be taken to the parole board chairperson and then to the minister to take a decision.
A claim denied by correctional services.
We have got a process that we call restorative justice, wherein the victims need to participate fully on that matter in terms of their views if we want to release this person on parole. Unlike to just release this person to the street tomorrow.
The prisoners have suspended the strike pending the outcome of another meeting scheduled for Wednesday. Spephile Kunene, SABC News, Barberton Prison, Mpumalanga.